Welcome to the project 4 quadrant DC motor speed controlling system. In this project we are using 1 HP DC motor. This is the DC 1 HP motor. You can see the ratings. It is like 1 HP and almost 230 volts AC and amperes are 4.1. So this motor we are going to drive based on driver circuit. This is our IGBT driver circuit. Based on it, the 4 quadrant chopper can be implemented on this 1 HP DC motor. This is our IGBT DC motor. And the controlling unit is our motherboard, nothing but our PIC controller. In this we are going to dump the program code. So based on the inputs that are connected, so to the shaft of the motor you can see there is a bar magnet. So this magnet, whenever it rotates, there is a non-contact tachometer, nothing but a Hall effect sensor. So based on the rotations per minute we used to calculate the speed. So this speed the sensor gives to the controller, and the controller displays the same live speed on the LCD display unit. The input to the device is potentiometer, a pot and the 2 control buttons. So using the potentiometer we used to set the setting limits of the speed between plus or minus of 50 rpm, and these 2 control buttons are used to change the direction clockwise and anti-clockwise using 2 relay driver circuits. We just see the output. So as you on the motherboard, first initially you need to on the motherboard, so then you get a display on LCD. Next you need to on the motor. So initially it will rotate under a default speed. So using this non-contact tachometer, the live speed will be displayed on LCD. So using the pot we can set the speed limit between plus or minus varying of 50 rpm. So once the speed limit is set, you can see the rotations. So low speed, high speed, plus or minus 50 rpm. So the 1 HP DC motor driven by IGBT driver circuit based on potentiometer adjusting of speed limits and buttons based direction control and Hall effect sensor based speed measuring unit. So once when I press the direction button, initially it reduces the speed, then changes the direction. You can see here it is rotating under clockwise, again change to anti-clockwise. So using this relay switch. So here you can see initially it was to this relay unit and the second relay unit was switched on. When it changes the direction, automatically the relay drivers will be shifted on. So again it increases the speed. As you press the direction button, initially reduces the speed, changes the direction and again increases the speed with plus or minus 50 variations. So when I press the anti-clockwise direction button, first initially it reduces the speed. You can see the speed reduction and then changes the direction from anti-clockwise to clockwise. So again you can see here the relay driver has been shifted. So from 2 to 1. So in this way we can adjust the speed as well as directions with high and low, clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is the 4 quadrant DC chopper. 4 quadrant chopper. So here in this clockwise, speed up, speed down, anti-clockwise, speed up, speed down. So using 2 units, using 4 quadrant chopper and IGBT driver, we are designing for an 1 HP DC motor. Again you need to switch off the motor first and then power supply to the motherboard. Thank you.